So here is the first look of Samsung Galaxy A50 and A30. Both smartphones looking so cool. As you see, both smartphones come with Infinity-U display. Samsung Galaxy A50 come with 6.4-inch Full HD Plus display, also Super AMOLED display with Infinity-U display. This smartphone come with 4GB RAM, 6GB RAM option with 64GB, 128GB internal storage. Also support micro SD card. It's also come with triple camera setup. Triple camera setup consists of a 25 megapixel main sensor with aperture 1.7, a 5 megapixel depth sensor, and 8 megapixel fixed focus ultra wide camera with aperture 2.4. Also have a 25 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 2.0. Galaxy A50 also come with powerful Exynos 9610 processor and also support in-display fingerprint sensor. The phone will have a USB Type-C port and a 4000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging. This smartphone will be available in black, white, blue and coral color. Samsung Galaxy A30 A30 glossy plastic body and a 6.4-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution, Infinity-U display and always on display. The smartphone have a 16 megapixel selfie camera with aperture 1.9. At the rear, Samsung Galaxy A30 will be a 16 megapixel sensor with aperture 1.9 and a 5 megapixel ultra-wide camera with aperture 2.2. Other camera-related features including AR sticker, background blur, flood detection. Exynos 7904 handle all the processing tasks. The Galaxy A30 will be available in two memory configurations, 3GB RAM plus 32GB storage and 4GB RAM plus 64GB storage, and also support 512GB micro SD card. The phone will be featuring dual SIM card, USB Type-C and 4000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast charging and a rear facing fingerprint reader. Let's talk about price. Galaxy A50 price $300 and Galaxy A30 price will be $250. Both smartphones officially launch on 28th of February. So that's all guys. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you think about these smartphones. I will catch you in next video. Till then, goodbye.